Hi, this is Travis from 10 Farms. I'm out here in the barn today. I've been working on the tractor mower, trying to fix the damage from the fire. Still waiting on a bunch of parts to come, but I did get the hydraulic hoses all in here now. So you can see on this side the new hoses, on the left side drive motor there, and then all the others underneath. Here on the right side, new high pressure hoses for the drive motor. You can see other hoses underneath there. And as we go around the front here, new lines there, all new lines coming in and out of the reservoir. Those were really hard to get to down there. It's hard to get a wrench on any of those. They're just in really bad spots. But I finally got them in. Then you can see the new lines going up to the cooler here. So I got all new hydraulics on there now. So that should hopefully last for a long time once I get the rest of this thing back together and running again. I got a new alternator that just showed up, a new starter. I'm getting ready to rewire it. I decided to wire it by hand instead of getting a new wiring harness because the harness was really expensive. And I'm still waiting on radiator hoses and drive belts and deck belts. Once those all come, I think I'll be able to get this thing back together and running again. Thanks for watching.